guys. Hey. We're going to a secret location, but first we're going to DC, Washington DC. This is my mom, and she made the whole trip happen.
No.
So, but anyway.
God did.
Interview. I read 5 chapters of a romance book. Guys, we have approximately 7 minutes to get to our gate. We are on the plane, and my whole family is separated except my dad. Hey guys, we landed in Germany. So basically, there's someone vaping on our plane. Someone almost got in a fight. Just crazy things were happening. Transpiring.
You could always hear the giggling.
Can we just go this way? Please?
Ala bologna. Ala bolognese. Bolognese.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's morning of...
Vlog number 60.
We were going on the plane. I said specifically 75 A and B for seats, and they sat on E and F.
I told you my chops.
Okay, this morning has been a little tension. We had an egg drop on our heads, a dead bird drop.
That was the man upstairs.
Everyone's speaking only in different pasta terms. I'm very scared right now. Molto bad. Guys, we've been in like 3 countries in the past 24 hours. Like, we're going on a train to Ravenna and Ravenna. That's where we're going. We're gonna take a train to the boat to Greece. So we made it to the train station. We almost died because we missed our train.
me, when will you be mine? Tell me quando, we can share a love divine. Please don't make me wait again.
Oh no, he brought it tiramisu.
What the hell? Oh heck no. How did it taste
Zero.
us?
This is ass.
It's no sugar. Let me taste how ass tastes. Good.
Hey guys, we're on the boat. We're at the buffet. No one can act right.
I could see that your sunglasses. Right?
My dad bought a mermaid cup. Today we're gonna do a mukbang and taste test all the cruise food. First, this corn dog. Like a 6 out of 10. Next, I'm going to try this piece of fried chicken. 3 out of 10. What do you rate the fries? 5. Oh, dang.
You're diabetic.
Hey guys, so we slept the whole day. I don't know how to explain what just happened, but right now we are at dinner. This is my dinner. We had filet mignons all around. It was insane. We also had pastas and stuff like that. Tomorrow we're going to be in Santorini. We'll have way more footage tomorrow. It'll be exciting. But today we slept all day, I think.
And it was it was Father's Day too.
Happy Father's Day to everyone.